Hey there, future genius. Do you ever feel like traditional studying is just not working for you? Endless memorization, falling asleep in textbooks, and then forgetting everything the moment the test is over? Well, what if I told you there's a simple, powerful technique that schools often don't teach that can help you learn anything faster, deeper, and actually enjoy the process? Get ready to discover the Feynman technique and unlock your inner learning superpower. The Feynman technique is named after Richard Feynman, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist known for his incredible ability to explain complex ideas in simple terms. It's not a trick. It's a profound method for truly understanding concepts rather than just memorizing them. And the best part? It's incredibly simple, yet ridiculously effective. Here are the 4 easy steps to applying the Feynman technique. Step 1. Choose a topic. Pick anything you want to learn or understand better. Write its name at the top of a blank piece of paper. Step 2. Teach it to an 8-year-old. Now, here's the magic. On that paper, explain the topic as if you were teaching it to an 8-year-old. Use simple words, short sentences, and analogies. Avoid jargon.
Step 3. Review and restudy your gaps. As you explain, you'll inevitably hit areas where you get stuck, where your explanation isn't clear, or where you can't simplify it. These are your knowledge gaps. Go back to your notes, textbook, or an online resource and restudy only those specific areas until you can explain them clearly.
Step 4. Simplify and organize. Now, take your explanation and refine it. Make it even simpler, clearer, and more concise. Organize it into a logical flow. Pretend you're creating a perfect, easy-to-understand summary. So, why is this technique so revolutionary? The benefits are huge. 3 times better retention. By teaching, you're engaging multiple parts of your brain, solidifying the information much more effectively than just reading. You'll remember it longer. Deeper understanding. You move beyond surface-level memorization to truly grasp the why and how. 70% time savings. Instead of rereading everything, you pinpoint exactly what you don't know and focus your study time only on those gaps. Super efficient. Instant knowledge gap detection. You immediately see where your understanding breaks down. This is crucial for truly mastering a subject. To make the Feynman technique even more powerful, record yourself. Use your phone to record your explanation. Listening back helps you catch awkward phrasing or areas that still need simplification. It's like being your own editor. Use visuals. When explaining, draw simple diagrams or sketches. Visual aids boost understanding, both for your 8-year-old student and for your own brain. So, forget endless cramming. Embrace the Feynman technique and truly learn smarter. If this opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.